Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby. It's called a flying ball, although it says here a flashing crystal ball. Bought it on Amazon. I think it was only about £8. Yeah, £7.95. On Amazon UK it says flashing ball, which it basically is. It's a, well, you can't call it a droid because you can't control it, so it's just a little toy really. I bought this for just to show to my grandson, have a bit of fun with him. One thing to bear in mind, don't forget it has moving parts like a blade, so it can probably cut your fingers. It comes from China. It says here gyro light and indoor flight. The interesting thing is some of the things it says on the back. More interesting, can let your aircraft automatically induced by the suspension of the child's with both hands above. Interesting. So it doesn't read properly, so okay. So I'll show you around the box first, as I always do. There's the back. So you might want to read that. Just thought it was a bit funny, that's all. Nothing to see on the sides. Same all the way round. So with that, I'll do the unboxing, shall we? Might do it a bit different on this one actually. I'm going to get a little table out that I've got, put it down. I'm going to stand behind the camera and open it up in front of you. Okay? Right, here we go then. So let's do the unboxing, shall we? Quickly show around it again. As you can see, nothing much. I've cut the tape just so that I can undo it, rather than get my knife out and then do it. So that's just laying about. It should be in the package, probably just falling out. Is that it? Looks like it's it. There you go. So not very well packaged by the looks of it. Perhaps it's been sold once before, you never know. So that's it. So you get, obviously that's your charger. There's your ball itself, I'll show you that. There you go. And what do we have here? I haven't got a clue what this is. Oh, must be your little controller. Turn it on and off, I suppose. Yeah, it says on and off. There you go. That's a good guess. So that's it. So I'm going to do a quick flight. I'm going to charge up first and come right back and show you what it looks like flying. Oh, better show you the bottom because obviously you've got all your bits here. So that's like your charging bit there. Yep. And obviously you'll have an on off, which will be there. There you go. Oh, not too. Let's turn that back on again and see what happens. Oh, so it just changes speed. So let's see how much it hurts. Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, and it cuts out. That's good. There you go. I'm going to charge it up fully and then we'll have a little play. Well, this is a first for me. There is absolutely no instructions whatsoever on how long to charge it up for or anything. Only what's on the box is all you got. Unless it's just not been put in this box. That's all there is. Well, I suppose you get what you pay for. It's only £7.95, but as long as it does the job, who cares? Right, see that all right? So I'm just going to turn it on. See what happens. And it breaks. Might be easy if well, it's on. I don't think it's supposed to just fly off. I hadn't done nothing. So anyway, turn it back on again. And oh, there it goes. What's the button do then? Oh, it does turn it off. Oh. Right, again. Holding it up. There we go. If you go like that, I've only gave it a quick charge, so it probably ain't got a lot of strength. I'm supposed to do that. Gotcha! Anyway. So that's it. That's the dancing ball, if you like. I think it's pretty safe. Just gives you a little nip. Look, I'll show you. Okay. Turn it off. So let me know what you think. The dancing ball, $7.95 on Amazon. You might be able to get it cheaper. I do believe Banggood sell it, and Gearbest. So I'll stick the links in there for you. And let me know what you think. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Remember, although it's, you know, it doesn't hurt me, don't let small children touch it. Could hurt them. Or make sure you supervise them anyway, at least. Don't want to see your kids getting hurt, do we? I'll shut up now, shall I? Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good one.